Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to compare the G-Shock against the Garmin. So I thought a fun way to do this would be to take it on a helicopter tour we got to do of Los Angeles. So it was overall about a 30-minute ride. The big difference I want to show you guys is the quality of GPS between the G-Shock and the Garmin. I love both these watches. They're really not an apples to apples comparison. So what I wanted to do in this video is simply compare the GPS qualities of them, because that's something that's universally standard between them, regardless of your specific use cases or why you have one over the other. You want the GPS to function. So note that as we take a look at some of these examples, the G-Shock was set in high accuracy mode. So this is the most accurate this GPS is going to provide. So the first thing we did was took a run through Santa Monica here. It was a quick, just over a half-mile run. I took it with my dog, and I simply turned the watches on, took the run, and came back. You'll notice the Garmin has a very smooth line throughout it on the map, whereas the G-Shock jumps around sporadically, and you can tell that's a result of both GPS accuracy and frequency. Every time it pings, it gets new coordinates, and it does that really sharp line between its last dot. Because it's a little inaccurate, you're also noticing that it's jumping because the times when it does get that ping, it's a little bit off. You guessed it, so we're at a private airport right now. We're about to go test out the watches up in the sky, take a quick helicopter tour of downtown Los Angeles, and we'll catch it all on tape for you.
We could be shameless, famous, running cool, with a love that leaves us weightless. Ooh, drop dead gorgeous, wow. Ooh, you got me feeling starstruck too. We could be famous. You want to be famous. We could be famous. Come and be famous. You blow my mind, looking like a model, better than the usual. Yeah, you don't even try, not average or typical. I put you on a pedestal. There's not just stars on the boulevard, they're in the light in your eyes. Oh, we don't need no black cards, I just need you by my side. We could be shameless, famous, running cool, with a love that leaves us weightless. Ooh, drop dead gorgeous, wow. Ooh, you got me feeling starstruck too. We could be famous. You want to be famous. We could be famous. Come and be famous. We could be famous. You want to.
That was an awesome helicopter ride. So how good did the GPS actually stack up between the two watches in that ride? Well, when you take a look at these two map examples here, you can definitely see that G-Shock jumped around a bit. That sharp line on the very north part of the map. Overall, I feel that the Garmin has definitely a more accurate GPS in that comparison, and it wins out. The other interesting component here was height. This is where I feel like when you look at these two charts, the G-Shock may actually be more accurate, because I don't think we were too high in the air. The Garmin's telling us we're 1,500 feet in the air. The G-Shock says we're about 600 feet in the air. From a helicopter, it's tough to say, but I feel like we were more around that 600-foot level versus 1,500 feet, simply because when you look at how close we were to the buildings downtown, you know, there's no way we were that far above them. It was really kind of an aerial view, pretty close to the height of the buildings themselves. So overall impressions of these watches, I love them both. All I can do in this video is pit the GPS against one another. If you want to see a feature comparison or a use case comparison, let me know. Smash that subscribe button, let me know in the comments, and I'll give you details between these two watches, whether it's the apps, the interface of the watch, the usability, how quickly it acquires GPS signal. Again, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.
We could be shameless, famous.